Frittata is an easy, versatile dish to make. It can be assembled quickly, it only needs approximately 30 minutes to bake, and it's delicious served as a meal or to take as a snack to eat on the go. While frittata can be made with a variety of vegetables, you can also include some cooked lentils. I find whenever I cook lentils there are always some left over, and combining them with eggs and vegetables, cheese, maybe some sausage, it's a great way to use them up. Now, if you have a steam oven, then steaming the lentils is an easy way to prepare them. Otherwise, they just need to be covered with water and simmered for 30 minutes or so until tender. Once cooked, they can be added to a variety of dishes, and of course, they're wonderful added to soup. The first step in many recipes for frittata is to saute the vegetables in an oven-proof skillet that can be placed in the oven once the eggs are added. But frittata can also be baked in a pie dish, or you can bake it in a shallow rimmed baking pan. Of course, I always like to use the convection bake mode when baking frittata, and I find a moderate temperature of 350 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius is ideal for even baking. Remember, when cooking with convection, the circulating heat cooks food from the edge to the center. So if the oven temperature is too high, you risk overcooking the edge before the center is set. If you are baking your frittata in a glass dish, watch the timing, as items baked in glass tend to brown very quickly. For best results, place the oven rack on rack position 2, counting up from the bottom. Towards the end of the cooking time, you can move the pan to a higher rack position and change the oven mode to broil, and set the temperature to low or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This will give your frittata a nice golden finish. Puff it up slightly. However, once it settles, it does flatten. It doesn't take away from the delicious combination of ingredients and the perfection of being cooked in convection. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.